What's going on, guys? PC Game Series here, and today I'm just going to show you how to make this in lesson 1. So I'm going to show you again how to make this in lesson 1. Right, let's get on with the video. Right, first what you want to do is you just want to create a folder. Call it whatever you want. I'll call it YouTube. Right, in the folder you want to just leave it open. You want to create another folder called images. After you've done that, you want to open Notepad++, but in this case I'll open Spline TextTube because that's what I use. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to press Save As, look for your folder, mine's here, and call it index.html, and press and leave it, and Save As type is all files. Alright, done. As you see, it's there. Next, what you want to do is you want to open another Notepad document and save as again, and call this one style.css. Again, all files, and click save. And as you guys can see, you should see style folder in there with like a little ring on the document. Right, done. Now we can get started. In the index folder, you want to do like this sign. You want to do exclamation mark doc type HTML. There'll be a template, so download that in the description. And then next line HTML. Next line head. And in between their head, don't worry, this will be the template, but I'll just say what I'm doing. In between the head, you want to put title. And then you just want to put title. Just download whatever's, download the template, it's fine. Then underneath, you want to do link, and then just call this style.css. That'll be in the description, download that, and you should be all good. Alright, now here, you just want to put body, leave that a couple of lines. Then you want to do, and now we can start doing our text. So H1, wait, before we do, let me just save this template. HTML. There we go. There's a template. So save as desktop and HTML and save. There we go. And let me just do this bit. Don't worry, you guys won't have to do this. There we go. Alright, that's fine. Now, what we're going to do is start putting our text in. So, in between the body, you want to put H1 for header 1. And then, you want to put that. And I'm going to explain something before I go any further. When you put H1, so it knows when to end the text, you'll do /H1. So the / means end. And you do H1 to know what it is ending. So you do H1 and then type your stuff in between the two H1s. Alright, I think that makes sense. But let's do YouTube website. Save. If we have a look at that, compose that. So there's one bit of your website done. Next, what you want to do is we want to put it in the center of the page. So, and put it as a different color and change the background. So the background at the minute's white. We want to change the color of the font so the writing's green, and put this in the middle of your page. Show you how to do that right now. Alright, open your styles folder and simply put body. So body, like that, and then put the what's it called? The variable sign there, which is like, don't, there should be an annotation. Just look at that. Just put that sign there, and then put back, background, image, colon, URL, bracket, then put images, /. Now what you want to do is you want to look, now you need an image. Basically we're putting images for that file so it knows where to look. And you do / because there'll be, then you put the name of the photo. But we need a photo, don't we? So let me just find one off Google very quick. Alright, let's look up HTML background images. Let's have something like that. That would do. Save as. Oh. Oops, it's froze. Oh, there we go. Save as. And look for your folder. So we'll go to desktop, folder, images, and call it something easy. So we'll call it background image, like that, and just save. After you've done that, you'll see it in there. Then what you want to do is, in here you want to put background image, like that. Oops, like that. And then done. That's that bit done. Now if you save that, and we go back onto our page, oops, wrong one. You have a look why that didn't work, and I figured out why. You want to put image.jpg. Always put .jpg on the end, okay? I always forget that. Still not working, don't worry. We can have a look at that. Background. And I've put it in the wrong one. Brill. Where did I put it? There's not an image in there. That's really weird. Don't worry, we'll just use one of our images on here. Or use jellyfish. So you put that in your folder. And you can just change this to jellyfish. Save. If you have a look at it now. Yeah, there we go, background done. The image is too small for it, but it just made it duplicate. Now what we want to do is we want to make the font different and the font in the center. So that's easy. We'll do that right now. So what you want to do is you want to make a line from this and do H1. Again, that thing, the variable H1 font. We'll make the font size. We'll make that 40px. Enter font weight. Let's make that bold. Text origin. We'll make that center for the center. And the next one we'll make the colour. We'll make the right in white. Can we have a look at that now? Refresh. You'll see that it's white, bold, and in the center. Right? Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to add some text here. That's easy. you want to do is you want to go on your index folder, and underneath your H1, you want to leave a space, then do H2. And then just write some writing. So let's put done, right? And then you want to do /H2. Now you just want to save that. Look at it. And yeah, you can't really see it very well, but it is there. But I don't want it to go across the whole page. I just want it to be here. And how we will do that is you want to go to you want to go here, where you want it to break off. So we want it to stop at 4, where it says 4 there. We want the next line to start. So how you do that is you look for 4 on here, and just put BR. Okay. Press save, and look what happens. The new line starts. And then we want to stop it at just. BR. And I think I've just deleted it. Wait. Oops. Yep, don't worry, I can get it back. Oh no, I can't. Don't worry, I can just do. There will be more steps that the website, and there will be more steps that will show you how to do all these things. Right, save that. Save that and look. Wrong one again. Have a look. Need it to break at will. Like that. So BR for break, and then if you have a look. Wrong will. This will. There we go, this will show you some things. That's how you break the sentences down. We'll change the font very quickly. That might take long either, the font. Go on your style folder. And just type H2, this, and then do font size, you want to do font weight, you want to do you want to do the colour. The colour we'll put green. We'll put that on the left. Put this in bold, and we'll put this as 30. Right, that's pretty simple.